Hey guys, welcome back. So in this session, we will discuss another example for request spec builder. So last example, we have validated the status code, but here I want to add one more validation. Like if you want to get, you know, like, let me show you the output. Okay, I want to validate this name. Okay, so this name must be written my workspace 123. So how to validate this, right? So same thing we can do, right? So we having the many editor to find the for extracting this value. In the last session we have already discussed, in the if you will visit in my previous video, so we have already discussed how to get that, but here I'll just tell one more time. Okay, so same thing I will use here assert. Okay, that, so here, okay, we will use one more method is there, that is called path method. Okay, so response dot path. Okay, so we will just go for this. Okay, then here we will pass workspaces workspaces where where is your name is there. So name is there for the zero index, so it will work as a index. Now the name, so what you want to validate, we want to validate the name state. Assert that. Okay, now I will convert this is in your to a string type. So we have a method call in Java to a string. So whatever the value we have, it will convert into a string type. To a string will return the string type. What is your expected value? So expected value here we will pass equal to. So what it will return? It will return. So let me go for the console, and it will return this one, workspace 1 to 3. If actual and expected will match, then what happen? Your test case will pass, otherwise your test case will fail. So here I have added one more uh, validation. Here you can see what is the use of path method, right? So get the value from response body using the JSON path or XML path syntax. Rest assured will automatically determine whether you to JSON path or XML path based on the content type of the response. If the content type is defined and then rest, then assured will try to look the default parser. So if defined, rest assured dot default dot parser. So hope you understand what is the use of this path method. Okay, still you have a, like, if you have a some you know doubt regarding the method, you can just do mouse over, you will get all the details, or you can visit the documentation of rest assured. Just you can search what is the path method, so you will get more clarity. Okay, so you are not getting the method, like we have a status code, so you are not getting what is the use of a status code. Like we have a equals method, equal to, right? You don't know what is the use of that. You can do mouse over, you can directly search in, and this is belongs to hamcrest library. So in the last video I have already discussed regarding the hamcrest and all, right? So this is the way you can explore your knowledge, what is the use of to a string. So you can see you will get all this details regarding to a string. So let me try to execute this code, and you can see we are getting 200. So one validation, second validation, you can see we are getting this. Or if you want to validate this one, right, second one, right? So same thing you can do, just you can copy paste here. You want to validate another name, so you can just change this index or change this expected value. Okay, so I'm going to change this expected value. Okay, now I'll try to validate. Try to run that. Now we can see our test case is passed and it is working as per expected. If your actual and expected will not match, okay, you can see if actual or expected will not match. If I will run this, your test case will fail. You can see now one test case fail. So let me, you can see it's going to tell you assertion error. This is not matching. Expected is this but found this, right? So this is how hamcrest is working. So here we are using the hamcrest library to validate these things. You can see we have already this hamcrest library I have already imported here, and here you have to use the static. If you have a static, then Eclipse will not give you the suggestion, auto suggestion. You have to manually, you have to import this. Okay, so I have already pasted the video, the example in uh, our description. So okay, I'm planning to, I think I have missed that. I thought I will post all the code on the GitHub, but will make a one GitHub repo and I'll try to post over there. That's all in this video, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please share and subscribe and press bell icon to get new video notifications. And thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.